How to create a newsletter in HubSpot 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a newsletter for yourself in HubSpot in the easiest way. Now, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a free sign up and much more. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to the marketing section. Now, in the marketing section, what it gives you is email. And then in the content section, you get things like these. So you can either choose your newsletter as your very own form or sequence, but usually it is in the campaigns or email section. Now, I'm going to go over to campaigns, which is basically the email campaigning where you're going to create newsletters for all in one campaign management. But obviously, for this, you are going to want to upgrade your plan. But if you want to do it on the free plan, simply go over to email. Once you go over to email, click on create email. And over here, you can simply click on regular, click on next. Once you do that, here you get tons and tons of templates to choose your newsletter. So let's say I'm going to go with this one. Okay, it's called new product launch. Now, once we're over here, you can go ahead and add your very own changes and settings to this according to yourself. So whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to write Halloween. So something like that. So just make changes to the images, to the texts, and whatever other things you need. And once you have done all of this, simply click on review and send. So it's that recipients are required. So simply go over to all customers and you can also individually contact someone. So once you've done that, you can go over to the other settings like the subject line. And you can also change the preview text according to whatever you want. You can also choose automation for your newsletter. And once it's all done, simply add your company name, address. And once we have added all those things, what's going to happen from there is we're going to click on Save Changes. And once we do that, simply go to Review and Send, click on Send, send email now. And that is how you're going to be creating a newsletter and sending it out. And again, if you want to use this platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.